Can we have that this way? You can everybody through. Joanna, around this way.
All the way to the end.
No, go back.
Sorry?
Okay. Save the best two last.
Thank you.
Please.
Yes, they don't smell, so that would be quite dangerous.
As if she's smelling, would you
Right,
like
they
to
literally don't smell. It would be rather sad. I think on an amazed face that they don't smell. Mine are very much bright, a different, everyone different coloured ones.
Joanna, can you just turn to the right as well slightly, please?
I can't, darling, I'm in centre.
Oh, sorry, Joanne. Last one.
Over the shoulder, over the shoulder. Lovely shot, lovely shot. Let's see.
Just here, Johnny.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Smelling ones, I don't sniffing grass or leaves. Don't make me afraid.
He said.
I think we've done this. don't we?
Just
Yeah.
a very lovely garden
Yeah.
behind you there. That's perfect. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Just there, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Joanna. Thank you very much. That was good. That was entertaining.
I love your Himalayan poppy eyes. They're amazing, aren't they? Yes, they are. Oh my God. They're absolutely, yeah. Oh my God. Fabulous, huh? I love that.
That's right.
That's what it's like. Yeah, I love it. Kate, can you get this nice? Will you show it to Kate? Because it might be my next spotlight photograph.
Can you show me? What I'll do is I'll email you right here and now so you can do the colour. Just show me.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Congratulations. It's a long, thin garden, and it is much shaded by neighbours, huge sycamore lime. So I get glimpses of that. The front room is divided into 3 rooms. In the middle room, I inherited 2 ponds like that with a small wood. So that's adorable. So they've got water lilies and marsh marigolds and things like that. The first one has got I've got olives in pots and in the ground. The tree one's doing in the ground's doing much better than one in the pot. I've got a turkey brown fig in a pot, which is going to test stuff over here. I've sold it as a Fox's orange pickle. It's not. But it's won't do that. So that I put in, and it's now the door in front of me. Lots of roses stuck around it. Mint I let grow mad because I would use mint every day. And then wine, I've got a seat and I've got the roses just growing, growing, growing. Then you go through the archways. I love choices, so I've got choice here everywhere. I adore that one over there. It's in a castle.